welcome to the Mani and Fariha show. This is Mani and I am Fariha. I know that many of you know us from our radio show, and now we are here on Toronto 360 TV.
So hope you guys all had a great Easter weekend, and all of you who celebrated Easter, belated Happy Easter and Passover. And how was your weekend, Fariha?
Well, it's always great to have a long weekend. So we had the Friday off and then the Monday as well. I don't know if everyone had the Monday off, but I know that you, Missy, have been up to lots and lots. You've been meeting Anwar Masood and Amjad Islam Amjad.
Yes.
So I think you should tell us how you had your weekend spent.
Oh my God, it was such a phenomenal and great experience to meet these two scholars, and of course all of those who knows that Amjad Islam Amjad Sahib and Anwar Masood Sahib are two phenomenal scholars of Pakistan, and I had to actually great experience this to meet them in person at one of the dinners. I'm sorry, it was by invitation. I know, but the only reason was that it was a last-minute invitation for myself too, and secondly, I was kind of not sure if you would be interested in Mushaira or you would understand.
That's okay.
As much as I know that our Fariha understands Urdu and speaks Urdu too,
well,
but maybe not in depth of our understanding of in the depth of that scholarly Urdu that literature we are talking about. Having said that, we have something coming up for you, and of course everybody else who's interested in that on April 20th.
Just in a couple of days, actually.
Exactly. So on April 23rd, for all of you, we have Sham-e Taqdees-e Adab for, of course, with respected Amjad Islam Amjad and respected Anwar Masood Sahib, and we will have exclusive evening with them, and you can come and enjoy entire evening with them, have a dinner at Pearl Banquet Hall in Toronto. And of course, aap aiye hamare saath, enjoy kijiye that evening. And also, it's not only the evening for Mushaira, also we are doing fundraising, and it's a very great cause. And
what is the cause, Mani?
It's for the Ghazali Foundation.
Yes.
And which I learned about the Ghazali Foundation is that they are building schools in Pakistani villages for disabled kids.
Wow.
And what a great cause, you know, and this is very much in alignment what we have been doing for the last 2 years.
So.
And I think, you know, when I say that, I get goosebumps, you know. And they have, mashallah, so many schools already open. I'm sorry, I do not have that stats right now, but definitely we'll be speaking about those stats and numbers.
That's wonderful,
on 23rd.
Because our topic of today is about education, and it's so timely because last week we also had Malala, you know, not on our show, as you are aware, but in Ottawa, so within the country. And Malala, if you're watching, I hope you're watching, we would love to have you on our show. So, you know, an open invitation anytime that you're available.
Yes, absolutely. We'll love to have you. And I'm so proud to see all of this progress being made in Pakistan. And of course, you know, if you have any not just the fundraising, I'm sorry, any great cause that you are doing in Pakistan, any projects genuine projects that you really need to establish, please, this is your platform. So reach out to us and we'll try our best to help.
And there are so many causes, like Malala addressing, you know, female causes, the event that you're talking about with the Ghazali Foundation, really catering to the special needs community.
Absolutely.
And there are so many communities. And as I stated, that today we will be talking about education as well. We have our guest for today is Yasser Malik, and we will be taking, welcome to the show.
Thank you for inviting me.
Welcome to our show. So Yasser Malik Sahib, please tell us about, first of all, introduce yourself, and then we'll be speaking a little bit about, you know, in our introduction about NAML and why you're here.
Okay, so I'm from London, Ontario. I'm a business owner, and I'm one of the director with NAML Education City. And NAML Education City is a registered non-profit organization in Canada, and our goal is to raise funds for NAML Education City in Pakistan.
Do you have a number that you're targeting?
Actually, what we are aiming for is to build 4 more schools in NAML Knowledge City in Pakistan. Currently, we have 2 schools, but we would like to build 4 more schools in the next 3 years.
Excellent. That's very ambitious.
Absolutely.
And once we are back from the break, we will be discussing more with Yasser Malik about the NAML Education Project and getting 4 more schools established.
So stay tuned. We'll be right back.